Hey friends, welcome to this course. And before we jump into the charts, strategies, real trades, I believe this lecture is extremely important. This slide is all about how you should use this course to get the best possible result from this course. Trading is not just about watching the videos, it's about how you learn and how you practice and how you apply. And this is very important. If you follow the guidelines I'm about to share, this course can genuinely change the way you think about the stock market. So please don't skip this lecture. It sets the foundation of everything that comes next. So let's first understand how the course is organized and how you should approach this. This course is carefully structured into the videos, quizzes, and the assignment, and each one has a purpose. I request you to please set the realistic and the achievable goal. There is nothing like a quick money. It is all about the skill building and get the profit consistently, the small profits consistently. So quick action for you. Pause this video for 10 seconds and decide your weekly learning schedule. Now why this slide, which is showing some fancy number on your screen? So this slide is very important for your confidence. This is something what you are going to learn. This is something what you are going to make if you follow the rules, if you follow the course consistently. What you are seeing here are actual trade results snapshot. Monthly performance, daily trades, entry, exit, and profits. The right hand side result is from the 2024, where we made around 175.88% on our overall capital. This result is on the 10 lakh investment, and by the year end, we have grown our investment up to 27 lakh 58,000 plus. The right hand side is the trade to trade result, what we made, what we lost in each trade. So these are 3 months result or maybe the 4 months result you are getting on your screen. So these results are not here to just impress you. They are here to prove that whatever you are going to learn, that is a practical and executable. Always remember one thing, results come after the discipline. If you are not disciplined, definitely you are not going to get these kind of result. If you follow the process, you respect the risk management, you stay the consistent, and your goal should be process mastery, not just profit numbers. Next is about how to utilize this course. This is very important. Learning doesn't stop you with videos alone. You are just watching the videos, you are not taking any action. That is not going to help you. Most important, whatever you are going to learn in this course, whatever the strategies you are going to learn in this course, use those things on the paper trading or the simulation tools. Before putting the real money into the market, please do the paper trading or please do a testing on the simulation. There are the multiple online simulators available. And a small but the very powerful suggestion, always prefer laptop or desktop over the mobile trading. Whenever you are trading from the laptop and the desktop, you are getting a bigger picture. You are getting the clear prices. You are getting a clear picture of the market. And the serious traders need serious screens. Correct. Mobile is something where you are doing the stuff very quickly. That is not for the trading. If you are option buyer, go for it. But I don't recommend the mobile devices for the trading. Now, this is very important. The interactive learning. Okay, what I believe that you just join this course, you learn a few stuff, but what you are doing, you are trading lonely. And whenever you are doing such great things, let's suppose you are making the profit, but you are not getting appreciated in the community, you are not getting the proper attention, proper focus, then you will be a bit disappointed. That's why we have created a dedicated community where you can discuss your ideas, you can ask your question if you have any kind of question, you can analyze the recommendations together. You are also invited to join our Discord community. The link is on your screen. I will also share that link in the very next lecture or maybe in the resource section of this lecture. And this community is very important. Let me show you how people are discussing the things in the community, how people are sharing their journey, their profits, their losses in the community, and how they are learning. So you see, this is our community. The link is being shared in the next lecture and maybe in the resources of this lecture. And over here, the people are sharing a lot of things. People are sharing their doubts. People are sharing their profits. People are sharing their learnings. People are sharing their P&L screenshots. People are also sharing their testimonials. People are discussing on the multiple threads, right? What they are learning, what they are not learning. People are sharing the stocks and the analysis of the stocks. So there is a lot of discussion is happening over here, and all this discussion is very interesting and it is very important. You see, people are also sharing their testimonials, right? People are sharing that how much they are making with the methods what we are explaining. So this community is very important for you. If you are going to join us, definitely you are going to learn a lot. You are going to learn a lot from the other peoples, and you are going to teach, and you are going to guide the other peoples as well. Whatever the good things you are doing, just share those so that other people can also get the benefit from there. And here is the final thing what I want to share, that consistency is everything in the trading. One good month doesn't make you a trader. Discipline does it. And you also need to keep a positive and proactive learning attitude. Losses are just the part of the process. Lessons are the real profit. And never hesitate to ask for the help. That's why the community exists. So please join this community. This is very important. Correct? The link will be available in the very next lecture or maybe in the description of the same lecture. And one last thing, that Udemy will ask for a review very early. So I request you that learn few good stuff and then provide a review of this course. So finally, thank you for choosing this course and trusting me as your mentor. The market rewards those who are disciplined, patient, and prepared. Don't aim to be average. Don't aim to be the same. Be better. I will see you inside the course. Let's start building your trading mindset one lesson at one time. Thank you.